Hi everyone, is your computer running slow, freezing or cluttered with junk files? So this can happen over the time where PCs accumulate temporary files, outdated drivers, fragmented data and registry errors that drags down its performance, and this is where Advanced System Optimizer can help, which is designed to address all these issues. So to download the software, simply head over to this web page from the link given in the video description and download it from here. Once you download it, simply right click over the file and run it as administrator. Keep this box as checkmarked and click on next. Accept the license agreement and click on next to install it. Once installed, the dashboard of the software will open up. From here, you can select the type of scan like quick scan, deep scan and custom scan. If you go to Smart PC Care, you will find all the options at once that will help clean up the junk files, registry problems or privacy traces and outdated drivers. Now if you are using a hard disk, simply checkmark this option. If you are using a SSD, this option is not required. Now if you go to registry optimizers, you will find registry cleaner and registry optimizer. These options helps you to find invalid or obsolete registry entries that automatically repairs to reduce errors and system crashes. Disk cleaner and optimizer gives you the options to remove temporary files, leftover app data and clutter that slows down your PC. You can also use the disk tools to find and fix problems with disk errors. Now under PC Optimizer, you get Game Optimizer, which improves the gaming performance by reducing background interruptions. The Memory Optimizer frees up your unused RAM so that your systems run smoother. And the Duplicate File Remover helps you free up storage space by finding the duplicate files. The System Protector enables an additional shield to protect your PC from malware and viruses. You can securely delete files from your PC, and using the Secure Encryptor, you can easily password protect the sensitive files. Now if you go to Backup and Recovery, using the Undelete option, you can recover accidentally deleted files. And using the System Files Backup and Restore, you can restore your PC to a different time where it was running smoothly. Now Driver Updater helps you to identify the outdated drivers and lets you easily install the latest ones once the scanning completes with just a simple click. Now if you go to regular maintenance, you'll get the startup manager from where you can disable the startup apps that are not required. These startup apps slows down the boot time of your PC. Now uninstall manager helps you uninstall the apps and programs installed on your PC. The general settings helps you to decide on the options how you want the tool to perform. Now if you go to the home section and simply select the type of scan and click on Start Smart PC Care. Now the tool will scan for all the errors prevailing on your system, and this process will take some time, so wait for the same to finish. Once done, simply click on Optimize. Now the free trial allows you to use only for 24 hours, so simply click on free trial and from here simply click on yes to perform the repair operations. Now if you want to purchase the software, simply go to help and click on Purchase Advanced System Optimizer, and this will redirect you to the product web page. From here you can easily buy the software, and as an offer of now, you will get Systweak Photo Organizer totally free with this software. So these are some of the pros and cons that I found using the software. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech guides and reviews. Thank you.